So a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you are all fine at your places. Now today we are discussing about the continuation part of the substation, and today we are dealing with you what do you mean by the bus bar arrangement. Bus bar क्या होती है? What is the purpose of bus bar? And what are the different types of bus bar arrangement that we can use in our substation? But before proceeding to this bus bar arrangement, we have discussed in our previous lectures what do you mean by substation. सबस्टेशन क्या होता है, कहां कहां सबस्टेशन लगाया जाता है. सो हम लोगों ने पिछले लेक्चर्स में देखा कि सबस्टेशन बेसिकली क्या है, एक असेंबली ऑफ इक्विपमेंट्स है जिसमें नंबर ऑफ इक्विपमेंट्स इंक्लूड किए जाते हैं, लाइक you can say that power cables, like transformers, like circuit breakers, like isolator and all that. And different allocation जगह पे ये सबस्टेशन लगाए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल कभी कभार हमारा जो सबस्टेशन होता है वो जनरेटिंग स्टेशन के साइड पे होता है, तो उस सबस्टेशन को हम लोग जनरेटिंग सबस्टेशन कहते हैं. अगर हमारा सबस्टेशन ट्रांसमिशन साइड पे होगा तो उसको हम लोग ट्रांसमिशन सबस्टेशन बोलते हैं. एंड अगर मेरा सबस्टेशन आपका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड की साइड पे होगा तो उस सबस्टेशन को हम लोग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग सबस्टेशन कहते हैं. After that we are dealing about the classification of substation, and in case of classification of substation, what we have discussed about the various classification of substations. Like some of the substations are used for switching purpose, and these type of substations are called as switching substations. Some of the substations can be used as voltage level changing, and these type of substations are called as voltage substations. Apart from that thing, the substations can also classified according to the structure. We have indoor substations, we have outdoor substations, we have pole mounted substation, we have foundation mount substation. After that we have discussed what are the various elements or the equipments that we can include in substation, and these are the power cables, the circuit breakers, the relays, the isolators, the CTs, the PTs, etc. Now today what we have to deal with the bus bar. What do you mean by this bus bar? Why we require this bus bar, or you can say that what is the purpose of this bus bar, and how this bus bar can be used in case of a substation, and that is known as the arrangement of bus bar. We will discuss one by one कि इसमें क्या क्या होता है. Now if you see a picture on your screen, this is basically called as the bus bar. Now the question is, ये bus bar क्या होता है? Bus bar, in an electrical power distribution, a bus bar is a metallic strip or a bar typically housed inside the switchgear panel board and busway enclosure for local high currents power distribution. मतलब क्या है? मतलब ये है आप लोगों के पास हाई वोल्टेज ट्रांसमिशन वोल्टेज एक पावर केबल के थ्रू आ रही है from the generating station or from the grid station. If we talk about grid station, then the incoming line will be from generating station, and if you deal about the distributing substation, then the incoming line is from the Gladney or any grid station. The high voltage power is transmitted from generating station or a grid station, and this high voltage power we receive at the grid station or a substation. So we required a certain element, we required a certain part जहां पर हम लोग connection बना सकें incoming और outgoing का, and this type of arrangement is basically called as a bus bar. Simply you can say that a bus bar is basically a conductor, एक wire जो connect करती है आपके इनकमिंग को और आपके आउटगोइंग को.